The global orthopedic implant market is a growing hub for distributors and surgeons from all over the world to invest in orthopedic implants and trust various manufacturers from around the globe. But the fact is, distributors face significant challenges in trusting businesses overseas that export orthopedic implants. Being a global distributor or a surgeon, why would you trust a company that exports orthopedic implants to your country, especially if you have a large set of complaints? Our global clients often face problems such as delayed production time, late delivery, lack of empathy, and high pricing of implants. The problems are set and concerning. But who will make an active effort to solve the problems? Zealmax Ortho, leading manufacturer and exporter of orthopedic implants across the world. But how are we doing it? Firstly, we offer need-based manufacturing and provide priority manufacturing options. Secondly, our delivery process is also very prompt because customs clearance documentation is ready. Thirdly, we understand you. We understand if you cannot make the payments immediately owing to some financial limitation, we will give you the leeway to make payments at a settled convenience. Lastly, we first-handedly put our market-aligned prices that sit perfectly with the buying capacities of distributors. Zealmax Ortho is dedicated to providing distributors with a complete, one-stop solution, supporting them at every stage of their journey.